Welcome back to our YouTube channel Zaid Official. In today's video, we are discussing about some general knowledge questions which are repeated in competitive exams. Let's see. First is, which is the lower house of the Parliament of India? Answer is A. Lok Sabha. Which is the third highest civilian award of India? Answer is B. Padma Bhushan. Name the river bank on which Taj Mahal is situated. Answer is B. Yamuna. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? Answer is D. C. Rajagopalachari. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? Answer is A. Porbandar. How many years is the term of office for President of India? Answer is C. 5 years. Which one of the below states pin code start with 2? Answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. What is the national song of India? Answer is A. Vande Mataram. Who built the great stupa of Sanchi? Answer is D. Ashoka. Which was the first satellite of India? Answer is B. Aryabhatta. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the retirement age of Chief Justice of India? Answer is C. 65 years. Which is the highest peak in South India? Answer is B. Duba Beta. When is the National Voters' Day celebrated in India? Answer is C. 25th January. Where is Tahir Dam situated? Answer is D. Uttarakhand. Who was the first Guru of Sikh? Answer is B. Guru Nanak. What is the capital of India? Answer is D. New Delhi. Which is the longest river flowing in India? Answer is D. Ganga. Silent Valley National Park is situated in which state? Answer is A. Kerala. Which state in India share a boundary with only one Indian state? Answer is A. Sikkim. Identify the state which is not landlocked. Answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Which is the official language of Odisha? Answer is B. Odia. Name the director of Hindi film Lagan. Answer is D. Ashutosh Gowarikar. Who is known as the father of the nation? Answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first Mughal Empire of India? Answer is B. Babur. Who gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji? Answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Who is called by the Prince of Martyrs? Answer is Bhagat Singh. What is the old name of Patna? Answer is B. Patliputra. When did the capital of India shift from Kolkata to New Delhi? Answer is B. 1911. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Answer is D. Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer is D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who gave the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad? Answer is A. Maulana Hazrat Mohani. But the slogan is famous by the name of Bhagat Singh. When did Alexander the Great attack on India? Answer is C. 326 BC. In which year Quit India movement was started? Answer is B. 1942. When did the Jallianwala Bagh incident take place? Answer is B. 1919. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos and please keep supporting me and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Zaid Official.